Looking for a wheelchair-accessible van with comfort, flexibility, and Toyota reliability? Take a look at this 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE. It has just 51,350 miles and features an AMS Vans automatic fold-out side entry conversion. With a touch of a couple buttons, the passenger door opens and the fold-out ramp deploys automatically, making wheelchair entry quick and convenient. Inside, you'll find a comfortable gray leather interior, a factory sunroof, and removable driver's side and passenger side seats. This provides multiple seating configurations and added flexibility for wheelchair users and caregivers. Under the hood is Toyota's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth performance for daily driving and longer road trips. Finished in a dark gray, the Sienna has a clean, modern appearance and offers an excellent combination of accessibility, comfort, reliability, and versatility. Call AutoMobility Store today at 800-431-3183 for pricing, financing options, or nationwide delivery information.